Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So in the first step, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now click on Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type bootrec space slash fixmbr and then hit enter. After that, type bootrec space slash fixboot and then hit enter. Now type bcdedit space slash export space c colon backslash bcdbackup and then hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon slash boot slash bcd space dash h dash r dash s and then hit enter. Now type ren space c colon slash boot slash bcd space bcd.old and then hit enter. Then type bootrec space slash rebuildbcd and then hit enter. Finally type y and type exit to close this and then click on continue. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.